Building a passive income stream from scratch is a dream for many people. It's the idea of earning money with minimal ongoing effort. Whether you're saving for your future, paying off debt, or seeking financial independence, establishing a passive income stream can provide long-term benefits. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to start creating your own passive income stream. Let's dive right into it. Understanding passive income. Before we dive into the specific methods of building passive income, it's important to understand exactly what it is. Passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it every day. The key difference between passive income and earned income, like a traditional 9-to-5 job, is that with passive income, you can still make money even when you're not working. Think of passive income as a well-oiled machine. You invest your time, money, or resources up front, and the system runs with little maintenance, bringing in income over time. Popular examples of passive income include rental income, dividends from stocks, royalties from creative works, and income from businesses that require little day-to-day attention once they are established. The goal here is to put in the initial effort, set up your system, and then reap the rewards with minimal ongoing work. Identifying the best passive income sources. Real estate investment. Real estate can be one of the most reliable sources of passive income. You can buy rental properties, either residential or commercial, and rent them out to tenants. The monthly rent payments can provide a consistent stream of passive income. While it requires a significant upfront investment, it's a great long-term strategy. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn income in the form of dividends. These are paid out regularly, typically quarterly, and can be reinvested or used as passive income. It's a relatively low-maintenance way to grow wealth, but you do need to understand the stock market or work with a financial advisor to choose the right stocks. Create an online course or ebook. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course or write an ebook. Once your course or book is created, you can sell it repeatedly, earning passive income with every sale. This requires an initial investment of time and effort, but once it's up and running, it can be a great source of income with little ongoing work. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses through online platforms in exchange for interest payments. Your money works for you, earning interest over time with little to no effort on your part after the initial investment. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Blogging or creating YouTube content can be a great source of passive income. Once you have built a following, you can monetize your blog or channel through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products. It may take time to build up a large enough audience, but once you do, it can become a source of steady passive income. Setting realistic goals and expectations. Building a passive income stream doesn't happen overnight. It's important to set realistic goals and expectations for your journey. While some passive income sources like dividends from stocks may start generating money quickly, others, like real estate or a blog, may take longer to set up and see results. Start by setting clear financial goals. How much passive income would you like to generate each month? What type of lifestyle do you envision once your passive income stream is fully established? Breaking down these goals into smaller, achievable steps is crucial for long-term success. Remember, consistency is key. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, but building passive income is often a slow and steady process. Focus on the long-term rewards and stay committed to your plan. Getting started, initial steps for building passive income. Now that you understand passive income and have identified potential sources, let's break down how to get started. Here are the essential steps to take when building your passive income stream from scratch. Educate yourself. The first step is to educate yourself on the various passive income methods. Research each income source thoroughly to understand the risks, rewards, and what's required to get started. For example, if you're considering real estate, learn about property management, tenants, and the legalities involved. If you're interested in dividend stocks, get familiar with stock market terms and the process of choosing good stocks. Set your budget. Building passive income typically requires some initial investment, whether it's money, time, or both. Determine how much you can afford to invest in your chosen passive income source. Start with small investments if you're on a budget, and gradually scale up as your income grows. Take action. Once you've done your research and set your budget, it's time to take action. This could mean purchasing a rental property, signing up for a dividend stock account, creating an online course, or starting a blog. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just start. The key to success is taking that first step and learning as you go. Automate and delegate. One of the keys to passive income is automation. Look for ways to streamline your process and reduce the amount of active involvement needed. If you're renting out properties, consider hiring a property management company to handle tenant issues. If you're running a blog or YouTube channel, use automation tools to schedule posts or videos. Scaling your passive income. Once you've successfully established your passive income stream, the next step is to scale it. Scaling involves increasing the income generated by your existing system or adding new streams of passive income. For example, if you've built a successful blog, you can scale by diversifying your content or adding multiple revenue streams like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. If you've invested in real estate, scaling may involve buying additional properties and renting them out. The goal is to make your passive income work for you on a larger scale. With consistent effort and strategic planning, you can grow your income and increase your financial freedom. Building a passive income stream from scratch is a rewarding and achievable goal. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on building passive income, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on future content that can help you achieve financial freedom. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more.